Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add another account to Commbank. Okay, it's really easy and simple to do this. All you're going to be doing, guys, first things first, log in to Combiz, okay? Then go to the admin section and select maintenance requests. Then what you're going to go ahead and do is you want to select add accounts. Then you want to select add Commbank accounts. So now what you want to do is you want to review the entity name to ensure that the correct account list is actually being displayed. Then you want to select get started. So if you want to add an account that is not displayed or an account which is owned by someone else, you want to go to the other account section. So if you see the account that is you want to add displayed, what you can do is select the account you'd like to add and then click on next. And if you like to add an electronic account authority, what you can do is select yes. Or if you'd actually like the account to be view only, you can select not now and go to the step number 7. But if you would like to add an electronic account authority, what you want to do is you want to select how many authorizers you want and their names, and then just select next. And if you did not now, what you want to do is you want to add or repeat the process for any other accounts, or you can select not now, and any remaining accounts will be view only. But the request will need to be approved by the people that are listed on the screen. Then you want to go ahead and select next to actually continue, then select next again, review your request, and then you can edit it or submit it. And the request will be created and it will actually need approval. And you should get approved very, very soon. Usually, guys, they will approve these requests instantly. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys, to add another account in Commbank. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.